Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have an administrator account and the current network values noted. Open the network settings now. On Windows, use Control Panel or Settings. On Mac OS, System Preferences, and on Linux, NM Connection Editor or Network Manager. Once open, locate the adapter you will edit and choose Properties or Configure. This is where you will switch from DHCP to manual or set a static entry. Make sure to keep your recorded values nearby. This prevents lockout and speeds the change. Now you enter the actual values. Type the IP address, the subnet mask, and the default gateway exactly. For DNS, add a preferred and an alternate server. This keeps name resolution resilient. Once done, hit Apply or Save. Make sure to wait as the adapter reinitializes because the system may release and renew the interface. If you see a conflict or an invalid field prompt, read it fully. Often a typo in the subnet mask causes routing failures. Proceed only when the interface shows connected. Finish by verifying connectivity. Use ping to the gateway, then to 8, and finally to a domain name to confirm DNS. If something fails, make sure to roll back to your recorded original settings or reconnect via console access. Do this immediately to avoid extended downtime. If rollback is not possible, restart the device and the upstream switch or router. Once done, recheck the subnet and gateway for mismatches, since those are the most common causes of loss of access. Keep calm and methodical.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.